If you're looking for the best RC helicopters that deliver both realism and top-tier flight performance, you're in the right place. Scale RC helicopters are designed to mimic real-life aircraft in both appearance and flight characteristics, making them perfect for enthusiasts, collectors, and aspiring pilots. In this guide, I'm going to explore the top 7 best RC helicopters, breaking down their features, performance, and why they stand out. Number 1 is Speedy Bee 4-channel RC Helicopter. For those seeking an aileronless design with exceptional self-stability, the Speedy Bee 4-channel RC Helicopter is an excellent choice. Its 6-axis gyroscope ensures ultra-stable flight, making it ideal for beginners. The barometer-assisted altitude hold adds another layer of flight stability, preventing sudden drops. With a modularized battery system, power management is smarter and battery life is extended. The helicopter supports a variety of stunt actions, including route flight and pot brushing, adding an exciting edge to the flight experience. Additional features like low-voltage alarm, stall protection, and runaway protection make it a secure option for users still mastering their flying skills.
Number 2 is Carmanon UH-1 RC Helicopter. A true collector's item, the Carmanon UH-1 replicates the Bell UH-1D with an impressive 27:1 scale design. It's not just about looks. This helicopter boasts a dual-axis co-driven motor, an electronic stabilization system, and a 6-axis gyroscope, making it incredibly stable even in moderate wind conditions. Featuring both automatic and manual flight modes, it's beginner-friendly yet versatile enough for seasoned pilots. The high-precision CNC swash plate, carbon fiber blades, and resilient shell ensure durability, while the 7.4-volt 1,200 mAh battery delivers an extended flight time of 11 to 13 minutes per charge. Number 3 is Syma Remote Control Helicopter. The Syma RC Helicopter is designed for users who want a realistic military-style transport aircraft experience. Its twin-propeller design enhances realism, making it an eye-catching model. One key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and a 2.4G remote control system make it an easy-to-use option, perfect for beginners and kids. The built-in gyroscope and intelligent safety system protect the helicopter from crashes and battery failures. Whether indoors or outdoors, it promises a smooth flight experience.
Number 4 is C189 RC Heli aircraft. It is an affordable mid-range RC helicopter with a decent balance of stability and control. While it doesn't match high-end models in wind resistance or stunt capabilities, it does feature a 4-blade stable flight system and 6-axis gyroscope for precise control. If you're looking for a budget-friendly first-time RC helicopter that goes beyond basic toy models, the C187 is a solid choice. However, those seeking high-end aerobatic performance should look for models above $400. Number 5 is C189 RC Helicopter. For those looking for realism and advanced features, the C189 RC Helicopter is a highly simulated model of the MD-500 bird. Its fly-barless design with aerodynamic principles ensures powerful thrust and excellent stability. The dual brushless motors provide increased wind resistance, while optical flow positioning and altitude hold guarantee steady flights. One-key takeoff, landing, and multiple stunt options make it an exciting choice for both beginners and advanced users. With a modular battery system, you also get longer flight times and fast charging. Number 6 is Deerc RC Helicopter. This feature-packed helicopter offers a unique skull pad printing design, making it a standout choice for kids and adults alike. What sets it apart is its USB-C powered system, ensuring faster charging and extended playtime. The 2.4 GHz control system allows multiple helicopters to fly simultaneously without interference. One-key takeoff, altitude hold, and an emergency stop function make it one of the safest and most beginner-friendly options on the list. The Deerc RC Helicopter is an excellent choice for those who want a balance of fun and education, as it also teaches the basics of aviation mechanics. Number 7 is Carmanon Ultra-High Simulated RC Helicopter. If you're into historically accurate RC models, this Bell OH-58 replica is the ultimate pick. Designed in a 27:1 scale with military-accurate colors, it appeals to history buffs and aviation collectors. Performance-wise, it's a powerhouse, featuring dual-axis co-driven motors, a 6-axis gyroscope, and a 2,500 Hem-11 120 kV brushless motor. This model excels in stable flights, precise stick control, and wind resistance up to level 5. So, which RC helicopter is best for you? Choosing the right RC helicopter depends on what you're looking for. If you want historical accuracy and display-worthy designs, the Carmanon UH-1 or Ultra-High Simulated Bell OH-58 models are unmatched. If you're a beginner looking for stability and easy controls, the Speedy Bee 4-channel or Syma remote control helicopter are excellent choices.